Intermittent fasting versus calorie reduction diet. Which one's better? Hey everybody, this is James, the fasting dad. It's day 12 of my fast and I've lost a good amount of weight. You want to know how much? Stick around to the end. Today we're going to talk about intermittent fasting versus calorie reduction diets and why some people think that you should just do the calorie reduction diet and some people think that that's not okay and that you could just do intermittent fasting. And the pros and cons of both. To start things off, I've done several calorie reduction diets in my life and none of them have worked for me. I lose weight at first and then I plateau or I gain weight back. And that's really one of the biggest problems with calorie reduction diets is that you start using X amount of calories, let's say 2,000, and then you reduce it to 1,000 and then your body gets used to that level there. You lose weight for sure at first, but then you stop losing the weight. And then you need to keep reducing calories and reducing calories and reducing calories until you're eating basically nothing to actually get any results. And that's not sustainable. With intermittent fasting, you're putting your body into sort of a fight or flight mode where your body thinks you're starving yourself and you need to burn fat to get energy. And it keeps doing this, but then you eat during your eating period. Then again, you're in your fasting period and the same thing happens again. That's why you keep burning fat all the time. Do you do a calorie reduction diet? Let me know down in the comments. Do you think that intermittent fasting is better? Give me a thumbs up. And as promised, here it is, the weight loss results of my 12-day fast. Do you want to know more about intermittent fasting? If so, watch this video here.